If you are out there showing your hairstylist pictures of white blonde platinum hair, then this is for you. I have platinum blonde hair, what most people would consider white blonde or really bright blonde, but either way, it's as platinum as it gets. My hair is as light as your hair can go. But take a look at this. These are all my hair, and my hair is the same color in every single one of these pictures. My hair is the same here, as it is here, as it is here, as it is down in the more yellow one here. The only difference between any of these pictures is the lighting and the filters that were used. So if you go home from getting your hair done blonde and you showed your picture like this, but you feel like it looks more like this or like one down here, then you just need to go and sit in front of a window on a bright but gloomy day and apply the Tanned Cute filter, and your hair will look freaking white. I always try to tell my clients when they're wanting to go blonde, a very specific shade of blonde, that blonde is a very chameleon color. It will be greatly affected by the lighting, by your environment. If you go into your bathroom with yellow lights, your hair is going to take on a more yellow tone. If you're outside in natural light, your hair is going to look brighter and whiter, and it's going to change if it's sunny or if it's cloudy or what filters you put on your videos. Then you also need to consider if you bring a picture of someone like me that has global blonde, where I don't have highlights, my hair is all 100% platinum blonde, but you want highlights, it's gonna look different than if you have all blonde. I've had several times over the years where clients who have a full head of highlights will say, hey, I want to go blonder. I want to look like your hair. I'll say, okay, so let's transition you to a golden blonde. They say, oh, no. I don't want to be all blonde. I just want my highlights to be the same shade as your blonde. And then I will literally pick up a few pieces of their highlights, isolate them from the rest of their hair, and show them that their highlights are, in fact, the same color as my hair. It's simply that as it blends with their natural tones and the other tones in their hair, because they are multitonal with a highlight, it doesn't quite look the same as mine. Final thought, it's not easy for everyone to be this shade of blonde. My natural hair color is blonde anyways, so it's not hard for me to get white blonde hair. If you naturally have really dark hair, it is going to be a really long, hard, and expensive process and very intense maintenance to get this blonde. So it might not be something that you really want to do when you think about it that way. Whereas for someone like me, it's really not that hard. 20 minutes of bleach and my hair goes as color. I hope that helps, and if you have any more questions about platinum blonde, leave them in the comments and I can respond.